All right, closer here to home, Felicia, we got to talk about the weather because that snow is getting closer and closer to really hitting our part of town and impacting everyone, right?
And we're starting to see the onset of the snow, but the heavy snow has yet to get here. So the fact that we are already starting to see some of those snow bands is really not much of a shock. We were kind of forecasting around this time frame that it was going to begin, but the heaviest stuff will start to move in closer towards the late morning hours. So right now it is 7:15. This system is containing a lot with it, from rain to snow, sleet, freezing rain, everything pretty much that you can think of when it comes to a winter storm. But some places will not get impacted nearly as bad as others. So areas in the pink have the winter storm warning. Areas in the purple are underneath a winter weather advisory, and the difference between the two is just solely the snowfall amounts. But we will be seeing more stuff other than just snow here for this morning. Excuse me. So along the I-80 is where we're seeing the heaviest snow at the moment, but more is coming in from the southwest and mostly quiet in Pittsburgh. We're not seeing a whole ton of activity. That snow band really developed north of the city, but we will start to throw in those snow chances as we move later on into the day, and temperatures will mainly stay in the 30s. It is a very cold start this morning with temperatures in the 20s. So there's a lot going on with this graphic, a lot of colors. So I'll break it down for you. We're possibly seeing the chance for a rain snow mixture here for this morning, since that system is kind of sliding over us when we have that transition going on. But this afternoon, it'll be mainly snow, but some rain will try to mix in the late afternoon. There's also the same possibility for some sleet or freezing rain, which could cause ice, and wind gusts could be up to about 25 miles per hour. But that is not our biggest concern. But of course, with the heavy snow, that is going to pose for some travel issues. So here's Futurecast. Notice most of the color that is taking over the map is indeed blue, but we notice some pink and some green in our southern counties. So around Greene, Washington, Monongalia, the lower elevations of Preston and Fayette County, you have a better chance to see more so of a rain event versus the snow event, but you will see somewhat of a mix. But the snow accumulation amounts, you have to head further up in elevation. Now by tomorrow, cold air is settling in. We shouldn't have to worry about rain, and so we could see some slight accumulations in the lower elevations, but the higher elevations could pick up at least another few inches for just tomorrow's forecast. So let me go ahead and show you what we have for just today with our snowfall amounts. Where that heavy snow sets up is going to dictate how much snow you are going to get. So we're looking about 1 to 3 inches, including the Pittsburgh area, but up towards the north along the I-80 corridor, especially as you head towards the center of the state, about 2 to 4 inches. But you want the jackpot snow where the winter storm warnings are. You could see about 5 to 8 inches of snow. And keep in mind, we still have some more snow in store for tomorrow. That could add about another 1 to 3 higher elevations, maybe about another 2 to 4. Monday will be our day to dry out under mostly cloudy skies, but Tuesday we have a huge warm up with highs almost near 50 degrees, but another storm system moves in, and this one's bringing wind and rain. So that will start a lot of the snow melting process, but we really don't need that much water. And so this is something we're keeping a very close eye on after this system is done. 36 degrees for today, mainly snow showers, and we're going to watch for somewhat of a rain-snow mixture towards the evening. But by this evening, a lot of the conditions travel-wise and also weather-wise should improve. But by tonight, snow showers do start to pick back up, and that's going to be more so towards the morning hours tomorrow. Another day where high temperatures are around 36 degrees. We dry out for Monday, but then Tuesday, we start off with a mix in the morning, but then it switches to all rain, and we're going to carefully watch how much rain is going to fall Tuesday, and it could last into Wednesday, switching back over into a mix, and then we dry out Thursday and Friday under mostly cloudy skies.